In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page with Mailchimp, step by step, so you can build a simple page to capture leads, promote an offer, or grow your email list without needing to code anything. This is a really useful feature if you want a fast and professional-looking landing page that works directly with your Mailchimp account. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Mailchimp account, and from the dashboard, look for the Create option. Click Create to begin a new project. Once the creation menu opens, select Landing Page. This is the option you want if you're building a standalone page instead of sending a regular email campaign. Next, Mailchimp will ask you to name your landing page. Give it a clear name that helps you identify it later, then click Begin. After that, you'll be taken into the landing page builder, where you can choose a template. This step is important because the template gives you the basic structure for your page and it saves you a lot of time when building from scratch. For this tutorial, I'm choosing the lead generation template because it's a great starting point if your goal is to collect signups, leads, or customer details. Once you select the template, Mailchimp will load the editor and you can start customizing everything to match your brand. Now go through the page and edit the text, logo, and image sections accordingly. Update the headline so it clearly explains what your landing page is about. Change the subheading to support your offer and make it more persuasive. Replace the logo with your own branding if needed and update the main image so it matches your product, service, or campaign. The goal here is to make the page feel clear, professional, and relevant to your audience. Take your time with this part because your landing page needs to be easy to understand at a glance. If you're collecting leads, make sure the wording is simple and action-focused. If you're promoting something specific, make sure the visuals and copy support that message. A strong landing page is all about clarity and conversion. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. This stores your changes and brings you back to the main landing page settings. From here, click Edit URL. This is where you can set the public link for your landing page. Enter your domain or the URL settings Mailchimp provides for your page, depending on how your account is configured. Make sure the URL is clean, easy to remember, and relevant to the page content if possible. After that, review everything one more time to make sure the design, text, and settings are correct. When you're ready, click Publish. Mailchimp will make the landing page live, and your page will be ready to share with your audience. You can now use that link in social media, ads, email campaigns, or anywhere else you want to send traffic. And that's it. You've successfully created a landing page with Mailchimp. It's a simple process once you know where each option is, and it's a great way to build a lead capture page quickly. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.